Ready to turn the Twitter firehose into actionable insights? First, you'll need accounts on Zapier, Twitter, and Airtable. If you don't have them, quickly sign up. I'll assume you already have those now. In Zapier, click Create App to start building your automation. Our trigger will be Twitter. Search for Twitter and select it now. Choose your trigger event. New tweet by search term is perfect for hashtags, keywords, or general topics. New tweet by user lets you track specific accounts. Let's select new tweet by search term and click continue. You will be asked to connect your Twitter account to Zapier. Click sign into Twitter and authorize Zapier to access your account. After that, hit continue. Here's where the magic happens. In the search term field, type the hashtag, keyword, or phrase you want to monitor. For example, let's use hashtag marketing trends. Make sure to be specific to narrow down the results. Click continue. Zapier will now test your trigger. Review the sample tweets to ensure they're relevant to your search term. If the test is successful, click continue. Next, we need an action. Search for Airtable and select it. Choose create recur as the action event to add new tweets to your Airtable base. Click continue. Connect your Airtable account to Zapier. Just like you did with Twitter, click sign into Airtable and grant access. Once that's done, continue. Now, let's choose the base and table where you want to store the Twitter data. Then, start mapping the data from the tweet to the corresponding fields in your Airtable table. For example, map the tweet text to a tweet content field, the username to an author field, and the tweet URL to a link field. Time for another test. Zapier will create a test record in your Airtable base. Check Airtable to verify the data is being transferred correctly. If everything looks good, turn on your Zap. Now, every time a tweet matches your search term, it will automatically be added to your Airtable base. You are now ready to analyze data and create reports. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome automations.